Hello, my name is Arlanda Prabhu. I am faculty in Operation Management Defense area. I did my PhD from Indian Institute of Management, Ahmedabad. At IIM Tiruchirappalli, I teach a course like Business Statistics, Operation Research, and Operations Methods. I am one of the program director of Postgraduate Certificate Program in Business Analytics and Application.
Okay, hi. My name is Hrishikesh Parthiban. I'm an assistant professor in the Information Systems and Analytics area at IIM Tiruchirappalli. Before joining IIM Tiruchirappalli, I did my PhD in IIM Calcutta in the Information Systems area. At IIM Tiruchirappalli, I teach courses like Digital Product Management, Business Analytics, Data Mining, among others.
We are currently living in a data-driven world, so it became essential we use tools of analytics to derive more insights and make informed decisions. So that is the purpose of this program. So this program emphasizes on basic understanding of analytics, basic understanding of analytical tools, basic understanding of analytical methods, and using all these tools and techniques to derive insights and make informed decisions out of the data. Let me share some highlights of the program. This is an executive program from IIM Tiruchirappalli. This is meant for working professionals. The pedagogical methods is case study, simulations, and experiential learning. There'll be a campus visit where you'll be able to physically meet the professors and also your fellow participants. And one of the highlights of the program is a capstone project where you will apply your learnings in the course on a capstone project and showcase the output. We have broad modules. First is analytical essentials, where we'll focus on courses like statistics, operations research, SQL, Excel, those things. And we also have analytical methods, where we focus on text analytics, machine learning, artificial intelligence, and deep learning. And then we move on to application of analytics like people analytics, finance analytics, marketing analytics, operations and supply chain analytics. And then final, we have a capstone project where you'll have a chance of applying all your learned techniques and do a one live project, capstone project.
Many organizations have data science as a very important position in their organizations. More importantly, you will be realizing that Chief Data Officer, along with other CXOs like Chief Operations Officer, Chief Financial Officer, etc., has become an important position in many organizations, wherein the entire position or responsibility of handling the entire data in the organization rests with the Chief Data Officer. Given the Chief Data Officer is an important position that has come up in the organizations, naturally, a number of positions in terms of data scientists, business analysts, right, data analytics managers, and so on and so forth, have opened up in organizations, right? So now that you are going through, or you will be considering to go through this program like PGC BAA, you will be having an exposure to many of these techniques and tools that you will learn, which will help you help fill up these positions in organizations and prepare yourself for facing these positions in the organizations. So in terms of the career prospects in the program, let me throw light on what are the companies that some of our alumni are working with. Right? They're working with some of the big companies in India like Infosys, Walmart India, KPMG, Deloitte, etc., to name a few. They've worked in positions like Vice President of Business Development, they've worked as data scientists, they worked as software developers, they've worked as business analysts, so on and so forth, which means that they are working across the entire gamut of the positions available for business analytics and data science. As many of you might know, IIM Tiruchirappalli is one of the fastest growing second generation IIMs in India. As per the NIRF ranking released by the Government of India, it is ranked 21st in the country in terms of business schools. As per the Outlook iCare rankings for MBA schools, it is ranked 7th in the country. IIM Tiruchirappalli is also known for its executive education and consulting. The main purpose of executive education in IIM Tiruchirappalli is to make MBA education accessible and affordable for all participants in the country. We partner especially with Jaro Education in terms of our executive education, and Jaro Education provides us all the support right from induction of the candidates in terms of profile screening, selecting the candidates, and so on and so forth, till the participants exit the program with a certificate from IIM Tiruchirappalli.